Hello, now I will show you how to download video from Facebook. First, we have to go downbeats.net. Its name is downbeats.net. Then right click on the video and click copy link location and paste it in the field and click download and click again download this video and right click again and click save video as and select the desired destination and click save. It is already downloaded. Thank you.